Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish brown. The shape is a square with a white outer glow creating dimension. The letters FO are in the center of the square. The letters have a hand-drawn artistic appearance. Backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear. There is a transparent mirror image of the logo underneath.
What's up, everybody, man? I'm glad to be back. You miss me? Well, I really wasn't going because I recorded enough content to get through setting up my Mac studio in the studio and getting it all ready to go. So I don't have a overlay or a background scene. Hopefully the cameras work because you guys know I'm blind. I can't see. But listen, I'm talking to you about another scent from what is becoming one of my favorite scent houses. So this is the box, man. We got a box inside of a box inside of a box inside of a box. It's about 4 boxes for this little bottle. And so I'm gonna be right back to talk about it. This is an all year around scent, a great smelling scent. Some have called it a chameleon scent. And I'm gonna unbox it /unbox it. And I already took it out of one of the boxes that it came in right after this.
Various images of Vashon Jones, an African-American bald man sitting down in his music studio with keyboards, microphone, saxophone, computer screen, soundproofing materials on the walls. The words look good, smell good, feel good attached to each image. Final image of Vashon, he is outside holding a white cane wearing all white with the words Debonair You by Fedora Outlier LLC.
All right, so Xerjoff More Than Words was my introduction into the Xerjoff brand. This is the second one, and inside of this box, inside of a box, inside of another box is Xerjoff Uden. And so I'm gonna take this out, and I smelled it on a tester, and it was something that I had to have. I don't know whether it's my spring or summer scent. Like I said, it is an all year round type deal. So that's one box. Well, that's 2 boxes actually. It's man, I see why Big Beard B says the box. You know what I mean? All right, so I'm gonna put those there. Boom, boom. I'm gonna take it out of the wrapper. Now I got what I thought was a smaller bottle, and if I get exactly what I ordered, I don't know why this thing, oh my God, it's literally another box. Okay, so boom, we are 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes in. We're 4 boxes in. This one won't come out, and since I know I'm going to throw this away, let's do it like that. Let's just get, I don't need. Man, this is an unripping of the boxes. Look, sorry for the disrespect, Xerjoff. Too many boxes, player. So I'm in another box, 5th box. Hopefully when I open this up, man, it's only, oh my God, all of this for this. All of this for this. Man, this thing has to be, even this nice little jewelry, bejeweled box is gonna get thrown away, but it's nicely wrapped, man. It's the Xerjoff form, as you guys have seen with More Than Words. I'm just gonna pop it open right now. I'm gonna hit myself. Boom. This reminds me of something that I smelt before, either by Tommy or Nautica. But it's categorized as a marine fougere. So right off the bat, you got the fruits, you got the aquatic smell, kind of sporty. And man, I can't wait to go through the remainder of the day with this. But listen, this could be a signature scent if, you know, money is not a constraint for you. This can be an all-round scent. This can be a casual scent. You can even dress it up. all I can say, man, people ask me, well, you talk about the fragrances and how good they smell, but when should I wear them? When should I have them on? And man, I'm figuring it out myself, just based on what works good with my body. And I can tell you right now, this stuff right here works good. So smell good on me, baby. It works good with my body. So listen, Xerjoff Uden, man. The note breakdown is in the description. A marine, fougere, and a must try. Get yourself a decant, man. This stuff is crazy expensive, but you know, from the house of Xerjoff, it is gonna be exactly that. Man, I would wear this to an interview. I would wear this casually with a t-shirt. I would wear it with a suit. I probably wouldn't wear it in a formal arrangement, but definitely in a suit. Definitely in a suit. And I'm trying to figure out what this fragrance reminds me of, and every time it keeps hitting me. And I just will not come to my mind. But nevertheless, listen, if I ever think about and come up with what it reminds me of, I'm gonna let you know. Until then, man, look good, feel good, smell good. I'm on the new Mac studio. Hopefully you can hear me and see me good. Xerjoff Uden. Let's change the world. Let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange all uppercase appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.